Assalamu alaikum.
Topic of the video is how to add custom fonts in your Flutter application.
We will add custom font in this app. Look at carefully, this default Flutter font do not support Bangla and Arabic language. So a custom Flutter font need to be used in this application. Let us see how to use custom font in our Flutter application. Go to project directory and look for pubspec.yaml file. In this file search for a comment fonts. You can see fonts in the top and then family and then fonts again. And then assets. Here in assets we will pass font location or path. This family contains our font's name, which name we will use in our code. Font file should be .ttf format. Now we will download fonts. I search for Bangla font in Google and liked this font named Kalparush. I have downloaded the font file zip format, it need to be extracted. I will search for an Arabic font. I have liked this English font named Lotto. So I downloaded the Lotto font. After that I downloaded an Arabic font too. Now I have been going to the folder where I have downloaded the fonts. Then I have extracted the fonts. Every folder contains font file. Now I will go back to project directory. Here I will create a folder named fonts. Here my project is in desktop/programming/projects/al_Quran. So I have created a fonts folder there. Now I will copy every fonts file from their folder. And then paste the font file in this project fonts directory. Let's go back to our project. You need to uncomment this. So select the full inside fonts from down to top. First click below, then hold Shift button and the click on the top. The press Ctrl K and U at a time. This will uncomment this. Inside this assets need to paste the relative location path of the fonts which are in this fonts folder. From here we will copy paths. But what's this? This font is in .it format, which will not work in our Flutter application. So I will delete this and download a new Arabic font, which will not be .it, which will be in .ttf format. Inside Google Fonts I have liked the font Katiba. I will download the font and use it in Flutter application. Now I have extracted the Katiba font and then copy the .ttf file and paste the file inside fonts folder of our project. Now I will go back to our project. When I right-click on the font file I can see copy relative path here. Just copy it and then paste it inside the assets property. Delete extra lines. As this is Kalparush font, I will give the font family name Kalparush. This is the name which we will use inside our code to mention the font. So give the name carefully. If you skip any letter then you should use the skipped letter name to mention the in your code. Just like above, I will copy the relative path location and paste for second font. I will delete the extra lines. And then change the family name to Katiba as the font name is Katiba. For English font I will copy the second one and paste these lines below. Then I will copy the relative path location of Lotto. And then paste below inside the assets. Then I will change the family name to Lotto. Now our work is done here. Now I will save the file by holding Shift and pressing S at a time. Flutter pub-get will automatically run. If the output is exit code is 0. It's okay, no error. For Bangla words I need to use Bangla font. So I will got there where I have written. In text style I will return the font family name. For Bangla I will use Kalparush. Font family name is the same as family name which I have given inside pubspec.yaml. But it will be returned in string format. For Arabic, inside text widget I will add style where we return text style. Inside text style we will give font family. As it is Arabic language I will use Arabic font Katiba. Here I used Bangla. For Bangla I will give Kalparush. For English, inside style, text style, I will give font family Lotto. If we save now it may work or maybe not. You may have to run flutter clean command in terminal and then run flutter pub-get. After that run the flutter project it will work. But sometimes it works without cleaning and restarting. Here my code restart and the fonts worked correctly. This is how we add custom fonts in Flutter application.